So my ducting's arrived. 50 metres here of 90mm ducting. I hadn't realised it was going to be quite so big, but it's actually not that heavy. It's only about 10 kilograms, but because it's so big, I'm going to have to cut it to the right length down here and then take it up into the loft. Okay, I've opened it up. I've measured out the first length I need, 4 meters and 60 centimeters. Apparently, you can just cut it with a Stanley knife. So I'm going to try that now. Yep, very easy. That was very easy to cut. I didn't need the saw, and I'll now take it up to the loft. So I'm up in the loft now. I've got that 4.6 meters of pipe. I'm just feeding it down here, and hopefully it's going to come out at the bottom. And here you can see the pipe coming out in the boiler room. You see I had to cut a slightly bigger hole there because I need to get my hand up in order to guide it in. But it's through now, so all's good. And this is the second pipe. I've cut 14.5 meters. It's going to be the longest pipe of all. It's going to go all the way across the loft floor, down through the wardrobe, and come out in the corner of the lounge up there. Okay, I've made the hole there with the screwdriver and hammer, but I'm going to have to cut away a little bit of this wood here, and I can do that with this jigsaw, and that's just so that the piping can get in a bit more vertically. Okay, so there's the pipe snaking all the way around here. It goes down through there, and now I've got to make sure it goes through the wardrobe and gets to the ceiling of the ground floor. So here's the pipe finished. It comes out of the loft there, down here, and goes into the floor here, and then through to the ceiling of the lounge below. And the next thing I plan to do is put a vent on the end of that pipe. So here are the pipes in place. There's 3 things about this. Firstly, I might want to insulate around them because although this is a warm loft and you can see the insulation on the actual roof there, it's still a bit colder than the rest of the house. So to keep the heat in these pipes, I may want to insulate around them, and there's plenty of space for me to do that. Also, I can lift them off the ground if necessary. I'm a bit worried about noise and vibrations, so just in case it's necessary to lift them off the ground to stop vibrations into the bedrooms below, which are all down here, then I can do that. And then finally, there was a bit of a space around the hole where I put this pipe through the ceiling over there, and I will fill that because although it's a warm loft, I still want to manage the flow of air as much as possible. And so that's it. The 2 main pipes that are going down to the ground floor are now in place.